Hello, Algebra 1. So we're going to continue with our series on solving systems of equations. We're going to talk about special cases. We did have a quiz this past Friday, so if you missed it, please make sure you come in this week on one of your off periods to complete the test. If you did take the test and you didn't do so well on it, come in this week during one of your off periods and you can retake it. I would go back through and watch that review over again, take some notes, make sure you feel good about it, and then come in during your off period to get caught up. All right, we're going to start talking about some special cases. And we've done these a few times. So this first one is just going to graph like normal. So up 3, then I'm going to go up 2, right 1. And this line does this. And then this one, we're going to do the cover method. So 0, comma, blank, blank, comma, 0. Oops. So we're going to get 6 and 6. So 0, 6 is up here, and 6, 0 is down here. And you notice these two cross, right? This is the answer. There's an XY answer there. I'm not too worried about what the answer is, but they cross. That's not a special case. What would happen with this one? So we still cross at 3. I'm going to up 2, right 1. And then if I graph this one, plus 5 up there, oops, let's do that in red. Plus 5 is up there, up 2, right 1. What do you notice about the lines, my friends? They are parallel. So they don't cross. So you have no solution is the answer. Let's try this last one. This is going to be cover method, so 0, comma, blank, blank, comma, 0. That's an x value, so negative 2y equals 4. What do you multiply negative 2 by to get to 4? And that would be negative 2, so 0, negative 2 is down here. And then that's a y value, so x equals 4, which is here. And then let's graph our other equation, this one. So negative 2, go, I want to make that a plus. I'm going to make that a positive right there. So if I make that a positive, I go up 1, right 2. And you notice it's the same line. So we have infinite solutions. Means that's a special case. Okay, so make sure you change that to a plus. I had made a mistake earlier. What about solving these by elimination? Well, we've done elimination before. Simply, I add these two equations together because the y's can cancel out, right? So I get 7x is equal to 6 plus 9, that's 5. Carry the 1, that's 35. Divide both sides by 7, so x is equal to 35 divided by 7 is 5. So I get 5 comma something, because remember it's xy. I'm going to take this x value and plug it into either of these. I'll pick the bottom one. So I'm going to get 2 times, that was a 5. There's going to be a 5 there. So we have 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 3y equals 19. Subtract 10 from both sides. 3y is equal to 9. Divide each side by 3. 9 over 3 is 3. So this is like we've been doing. There's nothing strange about this. If we go to the next page, if we solve by elimination, so let's take a look. Maybe I should, our x and y's are on the same side. Let's multiply the whole top equation by negative 2. So I'll distribute here, here, here. That's going to give me negative 4x minus 6y equals negative 12. I'm not changing anything on the bottom equation. And just take a look at this. These cancel, these cancel, these cancel. So I get 0 equals 0. This would have meant they are the same line. So if it's the same line and you get a true situation here, because 0 is equal to 0, this means you have infinite solutions. The next case, we're going to take a look at the same thing. X and Y are the same side. That's great. I'm going to multiply this all by -2. So that's going to give me 10x minus 6y equals -14. And then on this bottom one, -10x plus 6y equals 1. If I add these together, look what's happened. These all cancel out, so I get 0 is equal to -14 plus 1 is -13. This is totally false. These would have been parallel lines if we had graphed them. So this is no solution. Those are your special cases. So I'm going to give you the homework. Take a good attempt at it. If you're doing poorly in this class, it's because you're not trying your homework. You're not getting help. And if you continue to do poorly and you don't pass, you will repeat this course. So change what you're doing. Come in and see me. I'm off. You can see me before school. I'm off periods 1st and 5th and 6th. Come see me. Go to the Math Science Resource Room or go to ASC, which is upstairs above our classroom. During lunch, 4th, 5th, and 6th, Monday through Thursday, there's math teachers that can help you. Get help. If you're just copying answers down from my class, you are not applying yourself appropriately, and you will fail, and you will repeat the course. Have a nice day.